Hey friends! If we haven't met already, I'm Emily and this is my husband Joe and our dogs Bayleaf and Honey. We decided to buy this 1986 Toyota Odyssey, thinking it was going to be a fun little redesign project. We were informed that there was some water damage in the bedding area, and it was something we totally thought we could tackle. However, once we started ripping apart things, we realized the water damage was severe and it was everywhere. It wasn't just in this over-the-cab area. So we have slowly been chipping away, taking everything apart, destructing the entire thing, just one big demo project, and slowly putting things back that we are capable of doing. We slowly welded up a new frame that was metal instead of wood, like the original. Don't be fooled by this scary demo shot. As you saw last week, we have been able to make some real progress, and we couldn't have done it without our friends and most valuable players, Kels and Jay.
Good morning. Things are looking a lot different than what you probably saw last time, and to be honest, we didn't really grab the camera because things were going quick, and we're taking advantage of that. We have all the windows framed. We have the door framed. All the baggage doors also framed. The roof is done. We're accounting for all our fans. Blocking is near done. And I am blown away. This is going so fast. And it's all thanks to our friends Kels and Jay, who are back. Woo! Never left.
With this newfound motivation, we were ready to get back to work. With the help of our friends, Kels and Jay, and our other friend, you might know him, Craig, we were set out on completing the framing of our brand new vintage motorhome. Working as a team made the process so much more efficient, and not to mention fun. There are so many different tedious tasks that the only way to accomplish this was to divide and conquer. Next, we needed to build the boxes for our baggage doors.
Oh, Craigie boy.
And to get them test fitted. When building from scratch, it is so important to know your door and window openings before framing, or you will find yourself dead in the water. Planning ahead and even purchasing what you need before the build can really save you time and a major headache. All right, welcome to our 30-second RV tour. Follow me through the front door. Watch your step. All right, we've just walked into the bathroom. But don't forget the bedroom. And you're looking through the closet right now. Now coming this way. Got a kitchen space here, cooking and all that jazz. Now we got a sink area and all that jazz. No, you're looking at the bathroom. The kitchen's over here. Anyways, this way. Now I'm standing in the middle of the table and we got a dinette set right here and two benches that are so lovely and will fit into an oversized king size bed. You can do it!
We'll get there. It's charging. Well, here's a helpful tip. If you're not driving or running your car regularly, it's gonna die. It ain't gonna start. So run it weekly.
Yeah, something sounds wrong.
The bump that just fell off.
While everyone was working on the RV, I divided and made sure to conquer sourdough every day to make sure Kelsey and Jamie got their fix.
keep on rolling.
Rolling.
Once our baggage door box is finished drying, we got them installed and in their permanent home. Which meant the next steps were putting on the first layer of siding.
Pretty much say goodbye to the RV as we know it. And that's a great thing to be saying right now. This framing is finally done. We've been saying that for a year now. We're so close. But actually is done. The next step is going to be putting on some sheeting on the outside, followed by plywood on the roof, followed by Phylon, like the reinforced fiberglass, that stuff that looks good, that's gonna make it seem new and not like run down and rickety. That's next. We're only on day 2 here. Things are flying.
We applied a laughable amount of construction adhesive and started laying on our Luan plywood, followed by tons, and I mean tons, of screws. Routering out the siding made this dream start to feel like a reality, as you could finally see the build come to life.
That it couldn't be done.
A couple days and we'll do it.
Do you believe us now, Internet?
After a long day of work, we gathered some friends and went out to celebrate my birthday and also Joe's birthday too.
Emily, it's your birthday.
There's free drinks because it's your birthday. I didn't get a free drink. I got a free drink on her birthday. So happy birthday.
What else do you do for your birthday except for make your friends wear silly wigs and go to an escape room and bar arcade? And shout out to Kelsey for winning me this cute little cow that we named Poop Meow.
All right, we're about to do something we haven't done in about a year and a half. Actually move it.
Although we loved how much light we got from not having a roof on our rig, it was time to add 1/4-inch plywood to lock in all the framing. Now for the moment that we thought would never come. Our glossy, white Phylon siding.
This is where it gets really tricky. This piece of fiberglass Phylon that we got, it's incredibly heavy. It socks, and it's a very windy day. Like every other day has been perfect, and now there's gale force winds.
Honey blew away earlier.
Yeah. So here goes nothing. That turned out great.
Dealing with a sheet of Phylon that is 20 feet by 8.5 feet tall is difficult, as is. but we were also fighting against California's infamous Santa Ana winds. As we fought to keep the giant sail upright, it ended up tearing in 2 different sections due to these huge wind gusts. Thankfully, the tears were in cutoff areas, so it wouldn't affect the final outcome.
We have sighting. Oh my gosh, that was super stressful, by the way. But we made a great team. I'm so shocked it went on so smooth. Damn, looks good.
The finished product turned out far better than we ever imagined. And no joke, we are jumping for joy, or chest bumping for joy.
Excited, dude. Have fun, you guys.
Yeah.
And that's it. That's our final goodbye to Kelsey and Jay.
So sad.
They made such a difference on our build, in our lives.
Yeah, they made my birthday extra special.
Such
Tons of surprises and gifted us a Anchor
Solis.
charging
Like
station.
a battery power station.
battery block,
like,
yeah.
They're the nicest people
we
ever.
should be gifting them stuff like that.
I know.
So it feels so wrong, but
You guys
we
are the
appreciate
best.
them.
We love you guys. And honestly, there's not enough words to say thank you. So we're going to do it in song and dance.
Here we go. Ready?
We will remember you.
Oh, that's not where I was going with
Oh,
it.
wait.
All right. Anyways,
All right.
until next time.
Let's go.